Hello?
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello,
Hello?
hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I couldn't hear you before. I'm now
Okay,
connected to my phone.
fine. Just hold on.
All right.
Yes, let me open the document.
Okay.
Please hold on. Give me 2 minutes.
It's all right. Take your time.
So I have opened the workspace.
Okay.
Were you able to practice that sample?
Yes,
We're still importing, but we have like
Right.
the errors.
I've got some error too on. I did everything. I imported everything, but when I'm running, I'm starting the server. It's giving me a warning saying that the set properties rules were not properly matching to be found. That's what it's saying.
Were you able to fix it or?
No, I don't know how to fix it.
I have to check it.
Okay.
I want access to your machine.
Okay.
Because if it is solved, only then you can practice, or else it will be tough to you.
Yeah.
Let me tell Mike. To share. Is it whose machine? MR does?
Those.
Does. Okay. Okay. I informed Mike. So that he can share your machine. I can view the error.
Okay.
How about Emma yourself?
Yeah, I imported, but I haven't run yet.
You better do it meanwhile.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Right. Until Mike takes action, we shall continue.
Yes.
Sure.
Yesterday, okay. Now we have to look into life cycle stages. Right. I am creating new project, dynamic web project.
Dynamic project. Next. 2.5.
Life cycle servlet.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take 2.5 modules. Next. Finish. Java E perspective. Just hold on. Is Mike with you, or Mike would be on a different location?
Excuse me?
Right. I think he is in a different location, but we can communicate. Can I talk to him?
Okay, because I messaged on chat window, he is not viewing. I think he may be away. All right.
Okay.
Let's
see.
I think he's available via the phone.
Let me talk to him.
Let's see. We'll continue this sample. Meanwhile, if he is not responding, you can give a call then.
All right.
Because I need to talk to you to practice. So.
Yeah.
Fine. Life cycles are late. Just observe there. In Java resources, I'm going to create a servlet. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Right click. Go for new. This time, instead of creating a class extending HTTP servlet, I can directly go for servlet. You can see here, there is a servlet here.
Yeah.
Yes.
I take that. Now I am giving the servlet name here. Before that, let me give package name. com dot servlets demos. This is the package name, and the class name is lifecycle servlet demo. Okay.
Okay.
And just click on next button. Observe there, we are creating a servlet instead of a class.
Yes.
And here you can see create servlet.
Mm-hmm.
You can give a description for your servlet. A servlet to check the life cycle stages. So this is the purpose.
Oh.
And here you can see URL mapping and initialization parameters here if there are any. And here life cycles servlet demo. So here this URL mapping by default it will be same as the class name which we are creating, servlet name. This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or else you can change it also by giving an edit.
Mm.
You can change it. Okay, I change it to life cycle. Okay,
Okay.
I can do that, or else I can use the same thing. Okay,
Okay.
yes, I changed it. Now then go for next. Observe here.
Yeah.
It is asking for, do you want to do something else to your servlet? Constructors from the super classes, I don't want as of now. Inherited abstract methods, do post, do get, what method do you want it is asking for. Let me go for do get. I unchecked do post. Okay,
Okay.
then click finish. I got it.
Yeah.
Life cycle servlet demo extending HTTP servlet do get method. Okay,
Yes.
Okay.
and web XML, you can see web XML. Observe here. Web XML was auto-populated with servlet and servlet mapping for the new servlet which I just created. I did not write this.
Okay.
So Eclipse will do it automatically. When you create a servlet, both a servlet and servlet mapping.
Okay.
Oh.
Last session I have written because at the
Yeah.
beginning I manually showed you how to write that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Once you are comfortable, you can make use of the shortcut things that are available.
This thing. Yeah.
You can see here web app root for root tag in the XML file. Then
Yes.
welcome file list, we will see soon what it is. Servlet. This is the description I gave while creating the servlet.
Yeah.
Yes.
And display name for the servlet, lifecycle demo, as it is the class name. And let's focus on servlet name. Servlet name and servlet class are very important for us. The rest of them are optional. Okay.
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 Servlet name is lifecycle servlet demo, and it is located in so and so package name along with class name. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And its mapping. You can see I gave lifecycle, right? I have changed that
Yeah.
to lifecycle.
Wow.
Then
Yes.
it would be by default the class name. And servlet name is also would be similar to class name.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it?
Got it.
Done. My web application is also done. I mean XML. And let me go to this. So here, inside my servlet, observe there is a serial version UID. Ignore that. We don't need that. Okay.
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 Now I am overriding the init method. Init control space. Okay.
Okay.
I am using this. Okay. So the code that is generated by Eclipse. So here, outside this init method, I am declaring, okay, we will go it after some time. As of now, in init method, I am just displaying a message here. System.out.println I am inside init method. Okay.
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 Simple message. And you can see I have used a system.out.println.
Yeah.
Okay. Then do get method. I am just writing a message here. I am inside do get method.
Do get method.
That is nothing but service method, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Service method, right?
Right.
Now I am going to write destroy method. Okay.
Yeah.
Control space and override it.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
So I say system.out.println I am inside destroy method. Okay.
Okay.
Simple SOP message I have done. Now let me execute this. Okay. Save this program. I am running this servlet. There is no web page here, right?
Right.
All right.
Okay. Let me execute this now. Run on server. Next. Finish. Okay. If you observe, the left side are the various projects that are available on my workspace.
Yeah.
Right side are the projects that are deployed in web server.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as of now, I am deploying lifecycle servlet. It is in the right side. Yesterday I deployed servlet demo 1 and it is already available in the web server. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then if you want, you can remove this servlet demo 1 previous sample by selecting this and remove. Okay.
Yeah.
It's your choice. So let me go as it is. Okay.
Yes.
Finish. My server started without any trouble. Observe that my servlet started and init method was called by the container. And here if you see, this is the URL, right? So
Yes.
Right.
localhost 8070 followed by the project name followed by the URL, right?
Right.
Right.
So what happens? Web container will take this, get into WebXML, look for URL pattern, same thing, get servlet name, catch that
Mm.
servlet
Yeah.
name,
Yeah.
load this servlet.
Mm.
So this servlet gets loaded, instantiated, initialized, done, initialized, done, then followed by service method. Nothing but do get method is called, right? You can see the
Yes.
message. Okay. Now
Okay.
I go back to the browser. Take this URL, open an external browser or the same browser I can do it. Okay.
Okay.
I am pasting here. It means that I am giving some URL and I am trying to access that. Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
I hit an enter key now. Observe on the console, service method is again called when I hit an enter key.
Oh.
It means I have sent a second request
Right.
for the same servlet, right?
Right.
I told you that thread would be generated and thread is going to take that request response objects.
Yes. Yeah. All right.
So
Yes.
either you can copy paste that or you can refresh also. If you refresh, new request will be generated.
Oh, okay.
You can see here there is a refresh page here.
Yeah.
I am doing a refresh now. Observe carefully. You can see again.
Do it again. Yeah.
Okay.
So I do another refresh. Second, third, fourth, fifth. It means same request is being generated by the user again and again.
Yeah.
So the threads are generated. Okay.
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 Now observe. I am going to remove this project. So undeploy, destroy. Okay.
Mhm.
Go to servers, expand it. Lifecycle servlet right click, remove it. Okay.
Yeah.
I remove. And on the console, as you can see on the console, when I removed, it is showing I am in destroy mode. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And there are certain exceptions. As of now, we ignore that exceptions, whatever it has been. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
observe that destroy method is called when the component is removed. Okay.
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 Let me clear this console. You can clear this console by clicking on this button. And let me close this. Get into. Now inside this servlet, I am creating a counter variable. Int counter equals to 0. Okay.
Okay.
So let me do counter. That's it. In my initialization method, I will increment the counter. Better say I am giving a value for the counter. Okay.
Yeah.
That is some value. Done.
Mm-hmm.
Now in my do get method, so let me do this. before that SOP message gets printed. Okay.
Okay.
And here I am incrementing the counter. Okay.
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 And here I am displaying the counter value. So display, so I need to write system.out.println, right?
Yeah. Something.
Counter value in the destroy method.
Mm.
And I am appending it and display. Okay.
Yeah.
And let me put this message here also, counter value. After implementation, I am writing here counter value
Get method.
nothing
Yeah.
but this.
Mm.
Right?
Right.
Yes.
Let me print it here also. After initialization, I'm displaying. Okay.
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 Now I am executing this. Right click, run as, run on server.
Server.
Observe there, I modified the servlet. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am executing it. I am executing it. And I have removed the project also, right?
Right.
Okay. Run on server. Finish. So when I deploy, it is asking for restarting the server
Yes.
because my application I just removed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I am restarting the server. Okay.
Yeah.
You can see here, this is my URL.
Mm-hmm.
And I did not construct any web page, so it is blank here, web page. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it.
So counter value inside init method, 0 we got.
Mm-hmm.
Then inside the init method is invoked.
Mm-hmm.
Counter value inside the service method is incremented, right?
1.
Yeah.
Yes.
So counter plus plus.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can see I am inside service method, right?
Right.
Right.
And I am refreshing here. It means I am generating the second request to the same servlet, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Observe. So counter value is incremented.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So again I refresh, right? It
Right.
means
Right.
the number of times I am accessing that web page. This is nothing but a web page, right? Empty web page as of now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the number of hit counters are being displayed here. Observe 4 times, 4 hits
Yeah.
to that web page.
Okay.
I refresh again. 5 hits to that page. Are you able to follow?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
So you might have seen on web some websites would be displaying so and so number of users accessed this website,
Yeah.
and so and so number of hits we got for this website. They might have shown this message, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number of
So
viewers.
this is how we implement.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Oh.
again refresh. Hit counter we say. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Can you go back to the code?
Yes. You can see the code here. I have created a counter variable, initialized it with some value. Then, when I first accessed the service method, I incremented the counter value.
Yeah. So
And it is displaying for the
in
first
the
time.
destroy
Mhm.
method.
Yes. Okay. In the destroy method, I have not removed the components, so destroy method is not yet called. And
Okay.
Yeah.
last time, the service method was called and the counter value was 6. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, previously I have shown you going to server, right click, removing our
Remove.
application. That is undeploying, right? This
Yeah.
time I'll show you take this server, shut down this server.
Okay.
Shut down the server also will undeploy the application. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
I'm shutting down now. Okay, done.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go to console. You can see.
Oh.
Yeah. 6.
So undeploying application can be done two ways. One is right click on the server and choose that project and remove.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So during that time also destroy method is called. Second, when you shut down your server,
Yeah.
Yes.
your
Mm.
the destroy method is called. It means the applications that are present in the server are undeployed.
Okay.
All right.
Mm.
Now, yes, observe. Let me start the server. So here to start the server, either you can click on this run button or
Mm-hmm.
Right
you
click.
can execute an application.
Oh.
The same Servlet application I am executing. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
right click, run as,
Run
run on server.
on server. Yeah.
Choose this server or anyhow I have only one that gets automatically chosen. Okay,
Okay.
next, and here you can see if you want you can remove this. Okay, or if you want you can remove all these also.
Mm.
As of now, when you try to remove all of these, we are executing this, so it will definitely demand for at least one application.
Yes.
Okay, finish. It opens a browser automatically, and you can see get method got one counter.
1. Yeah.
Okay,
All right.
now I am executing, refreshing it. So get method got twice. Okay,
Yes.
Okay.
now I am going back to servlet, lifecycle servlet, and
Right.
here I just modify the code present in the servlet. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
so I just make 2 hyphens over there.
Mm-hmm.
It means I am modifying the servlet resource
Mm-hmm.
when it is being executed. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Now I am saving it. Okay, I
Okay.
saved.
Okay.
Now I saved it. I am onto the browser. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
when I saved it, if you observe on the console, observe this message. Standard context reloaded.
Mm.
Yeah.
So reloading context with the name lifecycle servlet is completed. This
Mm-hmm.
message was printed when I saved the servlet.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Now I am onto the browser now. I am refreshing it.
Yeah.
What was the previous counter value? 2, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Just a minute. And here you can see the counter value was 2,
Yeah.
and when I saved it, counter value it is calling from the destroy method.
Two.
Yes. Mm.
Yeah.
Right? Now
Right.
Right.
I refresh here. It means I'm sending a request. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Observe there what is happening.
To restart.
Oh, restart
Zero.
again. Yeah.
Restarting in the sense it is beginning from the first.
Yeah.
From
From zero.
first in.
I mean, servlet is loaded, instantiated, then initialized. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it.
Good.
Another thing to be noted is the server did not restart. Server was already running.
Yes.
Yeah.
So make a note. When servlets are modified while executing,
Mm-hmm.
no need to restart the server. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Now I perform the same. Twice I refresh it. Okay.
Okay.
And you can see the value is 3. Okay.
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 I am going back to lifecycle servlet. Okay.
Okay.
And I just queue 2 more hyphens. I am performing the same activity, of course. Okay.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that when I save, observe on the console, I am saving this. On the console, I have selected the blue color lines too, right?
Yes.
Now I am saving it.
Yeah.
Yes,
Something happened.
got it. When
We
you
got it.
save, I mean, when you modify and save it,
Destroy.
so destroy method, I mean to say that component is reloaded. Application is reloaded. When application is reloaded, your destroy method of that servlet gets called. Okay.
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 Now if I go for a browser here, give a refresh, it means a new request is being given.
Yeah.
Either you can go directly to the browser and give it, or on lifecycle servlet, you can run on server. Both means the same.
Okay. Mm.
Observe there, when you executed, so it is asking for restart the server.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when you go to browser, it can directly take the URL and execute the application, right?
Right.
Right.
That's so true.
Okay.
I want to highlight that when servlets are modified, no need to restart the server.
The server. Okay.
Like servlets, if there are HTML pages or JSP pages, if these servlets are modified, I mean those components are modified in your application, no need to restart your server.
The server. Good.
When do you restart your server? The thing is, when your WebXML is changed.
Oh.
Okay.
WebXML is the crucial thing, right? Where all the
Okay.
servlet mappings, everything goes. So
Yeah.
when this changes and you save it, then you go for executing the application using the URL request, definitely the server would automatically ask for restarting.
Restarting.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So find the difference. So this is also an important
Yes.
interview question.
Ah. Okay.
So when you modify your JSPs, HTML pages, or servlets, no need to restart the server.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you modify your WebXML,
We
the
need.
server will automatically ask you to restart if you don't do,
Yeah.
if you don't restart.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
done. I'm closing all these. So I'm done with sample now. Let's
Okay.
go for another sample.
Mm-hmm.
So here I have a form. Let me open, write it here. Yes, this is your file. Okay. So here a scenario. I have a page. So a page, HTML page. So I say this page as login HTML. Okay.
Okay.
Login HTML. On this HTML page, username, I mean to say first name, okay, of the user, then last name of the user, then I say a register button and a reset button, two buttons. Okay.
Okay.
Now you open this login HTML, provide your first name, last name, and click on register button. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Immediately a response has to be generated. So response has to be generated, and that in that response I need to display welcome Mr. whatever the name I have given here.
Yeah.
Alexander.
Wonder.
Okay. So welcome
Yes.
Mr. Alexander I need to display.
Okay.
So this is my scenario and I am doing that now. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Let me create a new dynamic web project. I give a name login demo. Okay.
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 Web modules 2.5. Go for next. Next. Finish. Okay.
Okay.
So I am creating the HTML page in web content.
Yeah.
Right click. Go for a new HTML file. Okay.
Okay.
I say login HTML. You don't need to give extension. I have already chosen HTML, so don't need to give extension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Click on next. You can see there is a template available with HTML. Let it be as it is, whatever has chosen. Okay.
Okay.
Finish. So HTML document, HTML file is created with some piece of code here.
Yes.
This is type comment. HTML head, title, body, right?
Body. Yeah.
Yeah.
So insert the title here. Login page. Okay.
Okay.
And inside the body, I am creating a form here. So I say form. Give a control space. You can see form tag is generated. Form open, close.
Yeah.
And there is an action here. This action I'll fill it soon. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So method equals to, you can see method, you can see what the method equals to. By default get, right?
Yeah.
Let me take get. Then inside the form, I am creating input. Input type equals to text.
Yeah.
Okay. Name, I am giving first name. Okay.
Okay.
And I am displaying here The first name.
Yeah.
First name. Okay, got it.
Got it.
Then I use a break tag. Then last name. Okay. Again
Okay.
input type.
Input type.
Input type text.
Yeah.
Name, last name.
Last name.
Observe there, last name is not having any space.
Yes.
Break. Okay.
Okay.
Then I say input type, submit. Type, submit. And value is register.
Register.
Then I say input type reset. Okay. Value clear.
Yeah.
Now I am done with the form.
Yeah.
I execute this. Observe that. Write it. Run as. Run on server. Finish. Okay. Start the server. Yes, I got this page.
Yeah.
Okay. Register clear. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
So, and login page is the title.
Yes.
So, I need to provide the first name and last name and then click on register.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, when you click on register, some action is occurring over there.
Yes.
So, this name, first name, last name is going to get registered here. So, when I click on register, look here, I'm clicking. Nothing is happening because I did not write any code. And you can see here, first name, last name, they are empty.
Yeah.
Yes.
I back, refresh, give a name here. Ramble, register. We can see the first name, last name here, query string parameters. But there is no response page here.
Yes.
So I want that response to be given by the server. So welcome, Alexander. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this can be done using a servlet. Now, in my resource, I am creating a servlet. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Servlet in a package. And the class name is it is login servlet. Login servlet. Next. So what this servlet does is a servlet will capture the form data and display a welcome message to the logged in user. So by default the class name, let it be as it is. Go for it. And we have to get do post. Remove these constructors, I don't need. Then finish. I have both do get as well as do post.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you want, you can generate only one. I want to show you this example both with the get as well as post also. So I have written both. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am getting inside do get method. And let me refer to the previous sample which I have done with the hello world servlet.
So
So I need to construct the web page, right?
right there.
Right.
So I just copied this. Okay.
Okay.
So this inside my login servlet, I done it. So what is happening here? I got a print writer by using the response object. Okay, this argument, and I have set the response, set content type, that is HTML, text HTML. And I am constructing the web page, and I need to display welcome message here, right?
Right.
So I am displaying. So here the thing is, I need to capture obtain the user's first name. I need to do that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So on login page, when you click on register button, you are generating a request.
Yeah.
That request is nothing but this one.
Yes.
It means the server web container has created a request object. I mean both request and response object it creates.
Yes.
Yeah.
That request object is given to you via doGet method.
Yeah.
Okay. Even response object is also created and it is given to you via doGet method. That is why we programmers have to build that response, right?
Yes.
So we have to write the code. Request response objects are created by the container and they are given to us. They don't have anything inside now. Now I made that response as text HTML with this statement. Okay.
Okay.
With the help of a response, I obtained a print writer to print the response, to build the response, to format the response. Got it?
Got it.
Now I need to obtain the user's first name, right? I can do that.
Yeah.
So string first name equals to, I have this request object. Request object. Dot. You can see over there are various methods, get methods.
Yeah.
Get parameter, you can see over. Observe, get parameter, you pass a string. And likewise we have get parameter names. All the parameters that are present in the form are submitted here. And you can obtain them as a collection, enumeration of strings here.
Yes.
If you want, you can obtain the value also.
Yeah.
And let me go for this get parameter. Okay.
Okay.
Here which takes string. I am giving that string. Observe there, this string is nothing but in your login HTML, whatever the name you have there, this.
Yeah.
Copy it, go for login servlet and paste here. Okay.
Okay.
Likewise I can do last name also.
Yeah.
Last name. Request dot get parameter in double quotes, semicolon of course at the end. You better go here, copy this, do not type, copy and paste here. Do not type copy paste.
Okay.
Because if you type, there are chances that you may make typo error.
Yes.
So whatever the user is submitting here, the first name, last name, I obtained it to my servlet via this request object parameter.
Yeah.
I got this first name, last name, and now I am displaying the welcome message. Welcome to Mr. the username. That is first name, first name.
Yeah.
Plus last name. Done.
Yeah.
I'm done. Yes.
How will this parameter, this first name into this method, I mean, get parameter, how will it know that it's in the login HTML file?
Yes, the thing is, from login HTML, this one, you are providing some data. Some user is giving his data, and he is going to click on register button. I told you that when you click on some links or buttons, it means you are generating request.
Request, yes.
So that request is nothing but this request object. Where servlet container is creating the server request object. So with that request object, get the parameter first name, get the parameter last name.
Okay.
This thing, first name, last name.
Okay.
I got that here in my servlet, and I am displaying it. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, one question.
Yes.
Can you go back to the login page?
Yes.
Not the code, just the form.
Oh, there's the
form.
Login page.
Yes, login page. This login HTML, right?
Second one. No,
okay, login page.
The form.
Yeah.
Okay, you said that when you click to the register button, it immediately go to it is considered as a request, right? So
it is going to be login servlet.
Yeah. So how is it gonna differentiate between the register and the clear button?
Right. How it is going to
differentiate the two buttons?
Button, what button? Okay, register button
and clear. Yeah.
This is basic HTML things. So here you can see submit. Submit button will take some action, and reset button will clear the data that is given in the text boxes.
Okay.
So that is the nature of this submit button, which will take some action. Okay.
Oh, all right.
Basic HTML. Now I told you that from my login page, it has to go to the servlet, right?
Yes.
So there may be hundreds of servlets. Particularly, it has to go to login servlet, right?
Right.
So go to WebXML. So what is the URL pattern for our login servlet? This one, right?
Yes.
Right.
Take this. Copy it. Go to your login.html. And action, you see, I kept empty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was asking.
Okay.
And how they could be connected. Yeah.
This is how we connect.
Okay.
Save it. I am executing this. Okay. Observe there, to execute that, we need to execute login HTML.
Yes.
Not our servlet. Reason is login HTML being the first page in our application, right?
Right.
After providing data in the login page, then our servlet come into picture. It takes the data, it consumes the data.
Yeah.
And it displays some response.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So login.html has to be executed. Okay.
Okay.
I'm executing it rightly. Run as run on server. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Finish. Okay. We need to restart the server because WebXML we have added.
Yes.
So yes, I got. I am giving first name random and click on register button. What happened to my action? Nothing is happening. So I back. Actually, a response has to be displayed. So let me back, refresh. I'm doing it again. I'm checking it again. Yes, I got it. Okay. So this is the response, right?
Yeah.
So
Right.
what is happening is from my login page, I provide the username, password. I mean username, first name and last name. Then I click on register button.
Register button.
Then this action text is taken by the container.
Yeah.
Then you can see method is get. Okay.
Yes.
So this text is taken and it goes into the WebXML.
Yes.
In the WebXML, it tries to find out where this login servlet text is present.
Yes.
It gets the servlet name. Catches the servlet exact name, class name. Here, okay. This servlet class gets loaded, instantiated, initialized, serviced. While service, you can see we are obtaining the first name, last name, and we are displaying.
Yes.
So this is the web page. You can see that web page here.
Yes.
Done.
Done.
Yeah.
Any doubts in the flow?
No doubt.
Yeah.
And you can see I am back. So here this clear button will remove the text that is given here. That is its nature.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And fine. So this is the simple example. And here we have request get parameter. So this is the thing.
Yes.
So here I have two fields, first name, last name.
Okay.
I am clicking on register button.
Yes.
Suppose I have 10 fields, 10, 15 fields, maybe the biodata of a user, complete profile. So maybe 10, 20 fields right over there, first name, last name, date of birth, then then age, contact, address, courses, qualification, or nativity, nationality, all these things I can capture, right?
Yes.
So there will be around 10 to 20 fields assumed, or more than that also. Then how do you do it? So your servlet has to take each and everything, right?
Yes.
So here I can introduce an object here. I can put the data into an object and pass this object to the request as an attribute. So we got here new thing, attribute. And that attribute will get the data and display it. So we can do it like this. So a new thing, that is attributes. Attributes. So attributes are associated with, attributes are seen with request, then session, then context. So attributes are seen with this. For now, we are looking into attributes with request. So session, context, we will be using these also.
Okay.
So with request, one thing, that is each parameter you got like this. You can get all the parameters also in a collection, like request.get parameter names there is, right?
Yes.
So can you make a try? Make a try using request dot get parameter names.
Yes.
Okay. Get parameter. And get parameter names will return you a string array, right?
Okay.
String array of parameter names.
Yes.
Parameter names. Now, for us in this sample, there are two parameters, right?
Right.
You get the two parameters here.
Yes.
This one you get.
And the other one.
You get, right?
Right.
Now, you can navigate through that. It's an array, right?
Yes.
I'm sorry, this is not a string array, it's an enumeration actually. Enumeration. Let me show you here. Request.get parameter names.
Enumeration.
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 So let me write here, it's not an array, it is enumeration. Enumeration is nothing but collection.
Yeah.
You will be using the while loop. While this enumeration, that is nothing but parameter names, has more elements.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Inside this you will be writing parameter names dot next element.
Yeah.
Next element. Next element will give you this first name.
Name. Yeah.
That is nothing but parameter name. Parameter name, right?
Right.
Able to follow?
Yes.
For the first iteration, you get the first name here inside this, right?
Right.
Then you obtain the parameter value here. How do you do that? Request dot get parameter. This method.
Yeah.
And give that parameter name here.
Parameter name.
Right? You get the value
Right.
here. And display it, of course. I have written all the code actually. I just want you to make a try, that's it.
Okay.
All right.
Clear, right?
Yes, it
Right.
is clear.
Right. So then the thing is, I was talking about attributes. So before that attributes, let me talk. So I'll make use of that attributes by giving you one more sample so that you will be comfortable with that.
Okay.
So my sample is yes. I am writing an example here. I mean a new project I am creating. I make a project.
Okay.
This is login demo 2. Web modules 2.5. Next. Let be all the defaults. In my login demo 2, I am making use of the same components that are present in my previous sample. I need this login page, okay?
Okay.
I copy this and paste here. Now I create a package in my Java resources which contains servlets, okay?
Yeah.
I am creating a package. Servlets demos. Okay.
All right.
Then I create login servlet. Login servlet is present in my previous project. This. I can copy this. And paste here. The thing is, if you copy paste here, in your WebXML, those tags which are automatically generated because of this Eclipse will not be generated because you are making a copy paste.
Okay.
So let me create so that those gets created in WebXML. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Login servlet.
2.
Okay. It's a different project, so no need to give here login servlet 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next. So here what my login servlet does is, so a servlet which captures the user's first name and send it to a new servlet. So this is what. Okay.
Okay.
It is sending it. I mean to say, I am mentioning a link on this login servlet page.
Okay.
I click on that link. It will take to next component, next servlet. And my next servlet is going to provide the response.
Okay.
Okay. I'm doing it now. Next. So I don't want this. Let do get. And another thing with my previous sample, Let me. Yes. This is one task. Second task is for you. Second task. Second task is instead of writing code in doGet method, write the code in doPost method.
Okay.
And in your login page, so let me open that login page. Change that method to Postman.
All right.
And observe. Can you see that Alexander Graham Bell or the username, first name, last name which you see on the browser URL?
Yes.
Just cross check. It is not viewable in the URL then.
Okay.
Right. Now,
Fine.
yes. Let me go back to my Servlet. So I have a doGet method, and inside this doGet method, let me use the same code that is present in the previous doGet method. Okay, with the same sample, right? Same sample.
Yes.
Done. So here, this response, welcome. I want this welcome to be displayed by some other servlet. Okay.
Okay.
I am mentioning a link here. Let me mention the link here. So how do we mention a link? Hyperlink. How can you do that?
HTML.
Yes, in HTML. Hyperlink.
I don't remember the query.
Don't remember. It is anchor tag.
Yeah.
Anchor tag. Okay. And I say anchor tag close.
Yeah.
Got it?
Got it.
Right. I have another servlet in my program, in my project. Login servlet. So new servlet. Response servlet. Okay.
Okay.
Next. So what the servlet does is a servlet which takes data from login servlet and displays welcome message. Next. So let me do it in doGet. I don't want to post. Finish. So in my doGet also it would be same. Here I will have welcome, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So let me remove these. Yes, I think these. I'm going back to login servlet.
Yes.
Let me execute this. I have to execute login page. Login HTML, right?
Right.
Yes. Observe now, in my project login demo 2, web XML, I mean to say web XML, you will see servlet mapping for both the response servlet as well as login servlet. They are auto-generated.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And Eclipse is taking care of auto-generation.
All right.
Okay.
And observe here, there is a welcome file list, right? Now I am configuring that welcome file list. There are various welcome file list examples here. Of these, I take HTML. So you can see HTML, HTML, JSP. These are the various welcome file lists they have given. I am making use of this HTML and I am telling my project that I have a login HTML which should be the welcome file for my project.
Okay.
Save it. Okay. Now, I executed. So I login page I opened and gave a right click on login page and executed it as run on server. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instead, you can go on your project, right click on it, run on server also you can do.
Oh, okay.
We have configured the welcome file list. So when you click on this run on server, your project will automatically identify that index.html and it will display the login HTML.
Yeah.
If you have not configured, it will display only the project URL over there. That's it.
Okay.
So it is modified. Save. Okay. Finish. Restart. I got it. And observe here. Observe. In the URL, there is no login HTML. But still login HTML is seen here because I configured it in welcome file list. Now I give first name Alexander Graham Bell and click on register. So I have a link now. So my login servlet is displaying a link, right?
Yeah.
Now when I click on this visit link, it has to go to response servlet and my response servlet has to display the first name, last name. This is my intention.
Okay.
So I click on link. So it's not happening anything. It is just displaying that login page as of now. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me go to login servlet. This is the link, right? Visit anchor tag.
Yeah.
So here with href hyperlink reference, we will be mentioning where it has to go.
Yeah.
It has to get into response servlet, right?
Yeah.
Take this URL. This URL. Copy this. Go to your login page. Not login page, login servlet. I have to check my login servlet, href, put the value over there. Here. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now my response servlet, you can see I am using request.get parameter first name, last name.
First name and last name, yeah.
The thing is, you have to notice a thing. Let me execute this. See the welcome message displayed by the response servlet and I'll explain you. So I go back here, refresh, okay?
Okay.
And I'm giving a name here. Okay. Register. Visit. Okay. Observe that as it is get method, you can see that Alexander Graham Bell on the URL.
Yeah.
Visit. Observe that what is happening.
Well done. Okay.
So the thing is, whatever the thing I am sending with the request here, so with the request here, so where is my visit? Yes, here, right, login Servlet. I got this first name, last name, right?
Yeah.
So I am expecting that first name, last name in my response Servlet.
Yes.
But I am unable to get that. It is displaying null over there.
Yeah.
It means the request data that came to this login Servlet is not moved to, not transferred to response Servlet. Right?
Right.
So this can be done in two ways. I mean to say, I want to display first name over there, right?
Right.
I can do it in two ways. One, this is the link, right? I mean to say this is the link, and to which it has to go this thing, right?
Right.
Yeah.
And my first name, whatever I have supplied, is present in this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Alexander. And Graham-Bell is present in this last name, right?
Yes.
So I can add it here as query string. Got it? F name equals to F name equals to nothing but this first name.
Yeah.
This first name. So I need to do that. So I'll do that. Anchor tag. So the thing is, I need to cut this piece. I need to cut this piece. This one piece. This another piece. Okay. Then F name equals to. So I need to cut this one piece plus another piece. This is one piece, and this should be one piece, and here F name, right, this should be this one, and F name value should be here. Okay, first name, and those single quotes, double quotes has to be matched. So I'm trying to match. You can see here, our entire href should be in single quotes. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So first name and its value is also should be in single quotes. I am trying to do that.
Okay.
Yes, I got it. So it should be like this. Let me write here so that it would be clear. I will write here.
Okay.
So it should be anchor tag. So anchor tag open. This is the anchor tag we generally write with HTML.
Yeah.
Inside this anchor tag, we write href. equals to this thing. So we write the link where it should go. So here goes this text. Here goes the text in between the anchor tag.
Yes.
So anchor tag open, anchor tag close. And this is the link that displays on the web page, right?
Yeah.
And href, here you need to give the path. When you click on that link, to which path it has to go, right?
The path.
The entire path is to be present in single quotes.
Yes.
All right.
And now you simulate it here. href, so this is the path. This is the path till here. The thing is, I need to put that a key value pairs, parameter name, right? So, value submitted by the user is present in this first name string. So, I used that Java appending operator plus and done that. Okay. So, this part, this is the thing. This is the thing. I splitted it in such a way that I have put this first name over there. Able to follow this?
Yes. How about that plus sign?
Single quotes and double quotes.
This single quote for after just the equal sign.
After yes, single quote. Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. What about this plus sign?
First.
Before the visit, the plus sign.
Plus sign. Okay, this one, right?
Yeah.
So this entire thing is present in one statement. So this thing, this thing. So here till this part is one anchor tag, and that is nothing but this one.
Okay.
Then visit is the text. Link.
Oh.
Then closing tag.
Okay. It is a bit confusing.
It creates little confusion. The thing is, you need to match that codes.
I was saying the last quote.
The last quotes, which one? This one?
Single, no, in the first part.
In the first part, are you talking about this?
And we have another one just before the triangle.
So the thing is, let me write here. This is path, right? To which path it has to go? To this I am adding parameter name. Parameter name equals to value, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This value I have given in single quote. This value. This value.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Actually, this single quotes here it should not be. Let me.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Just
remove this.
Yes.
Just remove this. Yes. Somewhere it has to close, right? So entire href, this thing. So f name this one, and it should be here.
There?
Not there. It should be
inside somewhere.
Yes. Inside.
Yeah. Yeah. Now I.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Now let me execute this. Okay.
Okay.
So here, if you see, what is the parameter name here? F name I give.
Yes, F name.
The first name.
And it takes you to the response servlet, right? Response servlet. And here the parameter name becomes F name.
First name,
Yeah.
And last name, let me comment as of now. let us display one thing and we will look into the other thing later.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. I am back to this. Back, refresh. So provide this, click on register. I got this. Now visit. Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
So the thing is, actually here, servlet communication is happening.
Yeah.
So servlet communication, how it is happening? From login servlet to response servlet, a communication is happening via this hyperlink.
Yes.
And here, I thought of displaying the first name in my second servlet during this communication.
Yeah.
When I tried displaying that, we observed that it was displaying null in place of first name and last name.
Yes.
Yeah.
The reason is, I have two servlets here. Request from login page was given to login servlet. Now login servlet has the data that is associated with the request. Got it?
Got it.
From this login servlet, I used a link and thought of communicating to servlet 2, that is response servlet.
Response, yeah.
We could do also with the help of hyperlink. We moved to response servlet and we tried to access the same request parameters and we observed that it was null. Reason is, request parameters that were associated with login servlet request are not available to the second servlet. That is why it was null. So, but my intention is to display that first name, last name in the response servlet. To achieve that, I used this href link and I can pass the parameters as query string parameters.
Yeah.
I have done it using key value, right?
Right.
And I used this parameter name in my response servlet because my first name that is given by the user is present in this. And in my response servlet, request.get parameter f name.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, it is clear, but we need more practice.
Yeah, of course, you need to practice, but the concept is clear, right?
Yes. Yeah, the concept is clear.
So, one way we have done this.
Okay.
The second way is using attributes. Using attributes. I'll explain this today evening, my evening, because I want you to practice this sample.
Okay.
All right.
And I could pass first name. Can you do it passing the last name also?
Yes.
Yeah.
Both two at same time or just one? I mean the last name only.
Both in the same. Both in the same.
Okay.
So how do you do that? So here parameter name 1 equals to value, and the thing is I don't need this, sir. I don't need this. And ampersand sign parameter 2
equals
value. This is to be done.
Okay.
And over there you give L name. Of course, sir. You can give here first name also. It works. It works. There is nothing wrong.
Yes.
The thing is, you should be clear that this parameter, whatever you are using, is from
there.
this piece.
Yes.
Yeah.
Recommended to go for using first name like this. So that constant what is it, parameter names are used.
Yeah.
There will not be any confusion.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Just a moment, hold on. Yes, I'm back. I've given you the hint, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, try this, and if you find any difficulty, I'll help you in the evening.
All right.
Now, what about my issue?
Which one?
About the server.
Yes. Yes. How about Mike? Where is Mike? Can you please call Mike? Ask him to make you as a presenter so that I can solve it. Are you calling him?
Maybe she's calling him. Yeah, for your information, mine is working, so I have no issue.
Okay. I think I can make you the presenter. Yes, I can make you. May I know whose machine is troubling?
Excuse me?
Yes.
You can make me a presenter?
Yes, your good name.
My name is Deuce.
Deuce, I'm making you the presenter.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do that at my end because Mike has made me the organizer as well as presenter, so I can do that.
Oh, okay.
I done. Send present and download request. So those needs to switch to desktop version of GoToTraining to be a presenter. It will take them a minute to download it. Okay, do so. What are you using over there? It says that you are not using the browser.
I'm using Google Chrome.
Yes. Google Chrome.
Oh, Mike was calling back. I don't know.
Let me try.
Hello, Mike. I'm good. How are you? We had an issue. We were just trying to contact you to make me a presenter, but Ahmed found a way to do that already. Yeah. So thank you. I'm sorry for disturbing you. Okay. Good. Okay, thank you.
Deuce, I cannot see your screen.
I'm downloading the...
Fine. Do it. Let me have some water meanwhile.
All right.
Emma, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, I can.
Please show me the error.
Here.
Show me. Servlet demo 1. First, start the server. Let us check whether it is running successfully or not. Go to Servers tab.
I stopped. Okay.
Expand it. Expand it. Server. 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 Server and server. Choose the server Tomcat 7. It is already chosen. Okay. Left side, you can click that button, V-shape button. You can expand it.
Here.
Left, extreme left to the server. Tomcat 7 server at localhost stopped, synchronized. To that left side, not there. Left side there is V-shape. Right. Remove that application. Expand it. No, not that. You just showed me the project, right? When you expanded it.
Yes.
Not that. Server left, extreme left. Server name extreme left. Don't go somewhere else. Yes, over there. Right. Expand it. Expand and collapse. Those are two operations, right?
Okay.
Take your cursor to the left side. Not there. Come to the servers.
Oh, here.
Choose, it is already chosen. Tomcat version 7.0 server at localhost is already chosen. To that left side, you can see V-shape button.
This one.
Diamond. Yes. Left. Yes. Right. Now select that project. Servlet demo 1. Select that project. Servlet demo 1. Right click. Remove. That is called as expand. Okay.
Yes.
Now select the server. You have not yet selected. Okay. Now restart the server.
I started it.
Go to the console. Yes, server is starting successfully. Down. Scroll down on console.
Yeah, I scrolled it up, down.
Complete down. You can see server startup in so and so milliseconds. It means server is working fine. There is problem with your project.
Oh.
Okay. So open your Hello World Servlet and open your WebXML, both the things. Yes. Hello world. Hello. Okay. It means you are using the same. No, you have created your own package. Fine. Open that WebXML. WebXML. Okay, good. com.ibm Java Servlet demos. Then Hello World Servlet. Good. Go to your Hello World Servlet project class. Hello World Servlet. Right. And it is in com IBM. So right click and run on server.
On server?
Right click on that. Right click on Hello World Servlet.java.
Here?
Program. No, not there. On program. Right. I want you to execute that. Okay, run on server. Right click, choose run on server. Right, finish, restart.
Yeah, that's the response is giving. So,
Okay. HTTP status 404. Servlet demo 1. Servlet demo 1. In that servlet, where is the servlet? I don't see that servlet folder either in your project or in WebXML. Why is it referring to that servlet?
this
Hello world
Servlet.
servlet. No, I'm talking. Go to the result browser. Browser. I think I can take the control also. Just a minute. Let me see. Can I take the control? Just a minute. Yes, I can take the control.
Okay.
I'm requesting you keyboard and mouse control. Allow me.
Okay.
Can I? Did you allow me?
Yes, I did.
Right, right. Okay. I don't know whether I can do it or not. I'm just making a try. Still, I am not able to. You do not operate because there will be collision then.
Okay.
You are not operating, right?
Right. I'm not operating.
Right, right, right. I'm seeing the mouse cursor. Is that my mouse or something else? I'm just checking. Okay. So I am talking about, you can see on the browser, Servlet demo 1 servlet.
Yes.
How did you get this servlet? com.ibm is the package name. Okay.
The servlet is on the URL button in the XML document.
I'll see. Web XML I'm trying to open. Yes, okay. Simple hello, servlet name, servlet mapping, web app. Right. Simple hello, com.ibm Java, com.ibm Java, servlet dot demos hello world servlet. Correct.
Is this space cannot influence something?
Yes, one thing. Space should not be there. Remove the space. Remove the space between simple and hello.
Okay. Even here?
Yes, of course. Save it. Save it. And then go to your browser. Here on the editor itself. Not that browser.
Here
On the editor.
in
No. On the editor there is a browser, right? Internal browser I'm talking about.
internet browser.
Right. Okay. Internal browser to Eclipse. I'm asking about that. Over there, remove that servlet.
This one.
Yes, remove that servlet and the entire thing from servlet. From servlet.
What?
From servlet. Yes, remove the right side thing.
What? Okay, this one.
com.ibm Java Servlet, entire things remove. Yes, right. Yes. Let the slash be. Go to your WebXML and look at the URL pattern. Take that URL pattern. It's hello, right? Put that hello over there.
Okay.
Enter. Requested resource is not available.
It's working.
Yes, it's working. So why it is taking you? I think you have executed WebXML. No, hello world servlet itself you have executed, right?
Right.
So this is the actual URL. Now go to hello world servlet. Why there was a problem with you? We need to fix that. Of course, the application is running, but what mistake you made? Hello world servlet. Class hello world servlet extends HTTP servlet, everything I have. Now execute this, run on server. Finish. Now it's working, right?
It's working.
Yes, so previously it was taking the different URL over there. Some servlet slash com dot ibm dot java dot servlet dot demos.
Okay. That's only, or also those spaces we remove.
Of course, space also will matter. Spaces should not be there actually.
Okay.
Fine then. Welcome. You can go ahead practicing these 2-3 samples.
Okay. Yeah.
Catch you in the evening.
All right.
Okay. I will mail you this WAR file.
Okay.
Fine then.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. I wish you the same.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.